Yo, what's up guys, and I'll be going to use Python's own rock paper scissors game. So it's not gonna be 2 player, it's not gonna be 3, it's gonna be like you versus CPU. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is press on file, take out this one. You don't need this one anymore, so you can press next to it. So when this comes out, you have to write some stuff I'm going to show on the screen. And yeah, I'm going to show it on the screen right now. So you can pause the video if you like. So yeah, I'm going to move it slowly so you can. So yeah, so you have copied all of these, and so yeah, you have copied all of these, like this over here, compute random dot randint. So it's going to choose between 1 and 3. If he chose 1, it's going to be a rock. If he chose 2, it's going to be paper. And anything else he chooses is scissors. So, and in return, while true and these stuff, you have to write them. And as soon as you finish, see this thing over here. This one tells you like, do you want to try again or something? Do you want to try again? Do you want to play again? If he chose Y or yes, it's going to try again. If it chose thing N or no, so it's just going to break the go out. It's just gonna bring these 3 lines. Going to bring 3 lines over here. So yeah. And so that's all. And if you can like for these ones, like it's a tie, you win, you won, the computer chose paper, you lost, the computer chose rock, or any one of these. Like these, it's a tie, everyone wins, you lost, chose paper, and these stuff, you can write anything you want. I just recommend writing this. I just recommend it. You can write anything you want actually. For me, I just recommend these. So, so yeah, have a great time. And before I end, I'm going to show you what to do in order to like play the game. So you press on run on top of the screen over there. Then you press on run module. When you press on that, a screen will come out when you where you have to save the file. You can make a file on your desktop, like I made over here. I made like a coding file where I put all my coding games that I made. So yeah. And so yeah, that's all. And when you press on run, let's try it. Press on run. You can press F5, but I recommend just doing this. And then I just played it a couple of times to try if it works. So yeah, you can try it if you like. So choose rock, paper, or scissors. You can like rock, and the CPU is going to choose, for example, rock. It's random. So do you want to try again? Yes. Why? Okay. So, paper. You can tell I won because the CPU chose rock. It's random. Do not say like it's like bad or something. It's random. So choose rock, paper, or scissors. I'm gonna choose scissors for the content. Scissors, and it's a tie because he also chose scissors. So yeah, that's all. If you want to try again, if you say no, it's going to end. Like if you say no, it's going to end. So I'm gonna say yes. And if you write like something wrong, if you copied the exact same settings that I made, what, like for example, you write like rock like this, you write rock like this, it will say type it correct please, because it's wrong. Like, rock is not like that. So just gonna write rock, and there we go. It's just a tie. So yeah guys, see you. Have a awesome day, and if you have any questions, you can just ask me to this Gmail. I'm going to show you. So the email is mjthelord2009 at gmail.com. And if you have Skype, you can add me by using the Gmail I'm going to type right now. Okay, and if you didn't find this account, you can just add me by using the exact same Gmail. So yeah, have a great time everybody. See you on the next one. Alright, peace out.